Do you want to know how you can change your language on your Melbet account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your language on your Melbet account. Go ahead and open any type of browser. Go to the search bars to search for Melbet or open Melbet's official site, which is over here, and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, in order for you to change your language, you can go to this option on the top right hand side, just beside the callback option and the time option. Click on the language option and you can see some of the languages which are supported by Melbet. You can select your language of choice and it will change according to your click. In a while, you can notice that your language has been changed. Now to change it back to English or to change it to any other languages, go ahead and click on this language settings. Scroll a bit down and let's suppose I want English. Go ahead and click on English. And then there you go. This is how you change your language on Melbet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.